Hi, I'm Faye.
Hello, I'm Fluffy, and today we're celebrating Pride with all of our friends.
We're on a mission to be fabulous.
Show off our pride, and most importantly,
Read the house down!
Hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone!
I am so excited about today, I could burst.
Oh, so am I. I'm so excited too. I can hardly contain myself.
You don't have to. Together on 3. 1,
2,
3.
Happy Pride! Yeah! That's right, everyone. We're celebrating Pride today. Does anyone here know what Pride is all about?
Love! You can date other people that are like the same gender as you. It's all about celebrating.
Absolutely.
You can be anyone you want and just have fun being who you are.
I love that, yeah.
All about love.
Love, just like that heart that you're holding.
That's right.
Do you have any friends that you love? Yes, you have one right there. You almost got a finger right in your mouth there. But that's right, Pride is all about different kinds of love, and it's a celebration that's special to the LGBTQ+ community. Do you know what the LGBTQ+ community is?
Have 2 moms or 2 dads.
Absolutely.
I have 4 moms. I have 2 dads.
That's right, they are a part of the community. Just like me and Faye, we're both a part of the LGBTQ+ community.
That's right.
High five on that.
The whole thing about Pride is Pride is about love. And love is for everyone. Pride is my absolute favorite. You know that people celebrate the entire month of June for Pride, but you can actually celebrate and be proud every single day of the year, anytime you like.
So, what's your favorite part about Pride, Faye?
I love rainbows.
Who else loves rainbows? Yes, yes, yes! A rainbow-loving crowd. And I noticed that you have rainbows in your ears, too.
Ooh, I love
Rainbow
those
earring
earrings.
twins.
How many of you have ever been to the parade before?
Like a bajillion times.
A bajillion times! Are we ready to kick off our official Pride celebration?
Are you ready?
Yeah!
1, 2, 3. Happy Pride!
Faye's Closet!
Welcome! Today I'm looking for the perfect Pride outfit. I want to look just like the rainbow. Will you help me?
Yes!
All right, let's see what we have. Wow, it does have all the colors of the rainbow, but it's really hot out. Can I stay cool in a fuzzy sweater and boots?
No!
I think you're right. Let's try again. What about this one?
No!
Wait a second. Closet. I said rainbow, not rain clouds. Oh, I think this one is perfect. Don't you?
Yes!
You can never wear too many rainbows for Pride. And I love how the skirt has pink and white and blue on it. It's perfect. Parade time!
Hi, I'm Alora, and I'm 8 years old. Every year, me and my family go to the big Pride Parade. They have awesome big balloons, and it's so colorful. My favorite part about Pride is that I get to spend time with my family, and when I go to the Pride Parade, I wear rainbows on my shirt. I learned to say Happy Pride in sign language. Happy Pride.
All right, we're gonna sing our Settle Down song
Yay!
now.
My favorite. Everybody settle down, how quiet can you be? Shake real fast, shake real slow, stand still as a tree.
Now sit right down and gather round, it's story time. We've settled down, now take a look. Let's open up this book. Today, we are reading this very special book called M is for Mustache, a Pride ABC book, written by Catherine Hernandez and illustrated by Marissa Firebaugh.
A is for ally, which me and Mama try to be every single day by speaking up for people who need someone to be on their side. B is for bike, and on Pride Day, I get to ride all the way down the middle of the street. If you were imagining that you were actually riding a motorcycle, what sounds would you make? Let's all do it.
That was really good. C is for colors, which make up the rainbow flags we hold. D is for doesn't matter. Like, it doesn't matter where we came from or what body parts we have. We are beautiful.
E is for everyone gather around, which Tita Geen tells us to do so she can tell the story of the very first Pride March. F is for the flowers that Tita Audrey puts in my hair. She tells me stories of a very important person named Marsha P. Johnson who wore them just like this.
Here's a picture of Marsha P. Johnson, and her best friend Sylvia Rivera are two of the people that started what we now know as Pride. G is for glitter, so our sparkly outsides match our sparkly insides. H is for hands, which we use to sign our happiness in sign language when our deaf friends march past.
Does anyone here know how to applaud using sign language?
Yes?
Yes! This shows that we are excited! Hey, Sebastian, do you know what's after H?
What letter, buddy?
I.
You got it!
That's right!
I is for ice cream, which Tita Lisa and I have every March to stay cool. J is for joined by the arms. We link arms together with our chosen family to stay strong.
K is for kissing. On Pride Day, it feels safe for us all to kiss our sweethearts.
L is for lipsticks that I get to wear. Today I get to choose any color from Tita Charm's Vanity. If you were able to put lipstick on right now, what color would you want to wear?
Probably a red.
A red, okay. Yeah, what would you like to wear? What color? Blue. M is for mustache, which Mama draws on my face to go with my tutu.
N is for names. Some of us choose our own names to match the people we have become.
O is for out on the street with our songs and our families. P is for pride, which is what we feel when we can be who we are and not be afraid.
Q is for queer spawn. Queer spawn is one word for kids as lucky as me to have parents who are lesbian or gay or bi or trans or queer or two-spirit. R is for rainbow. Everywhere we see it, we know those people are celebrating with us.
S is for smudging. We burn sage to remember that we are marching on indigenous land. And T is for tita, our Filipino word for auntie, which is a kind of chosen family I am lucky to have so many of.
U is for umbrella, which Tita Jazz says we should carry so the rain won't wash off her mustache. And V is for volunteers who offer help so everyone can enjoy the events.
W is for wig. Tita Faye wears a purple wig to go with her beard. That's me in the book. X is for all the extra supplies Tita Kim gives me to keep. Extra glitter, extra whistles, extra makeup, and extra sunscreen, of course.
Y is for Yonge Street. That's in Toronto, where all the people cheer us on. Z is for
Okay, wake up.
which is the sound I make after Mama and I end our long march. The end.
And let's do ASL applause. Wonderful job, everyone.
And now let's do a really loud applause! Well, did you all enjoy hearing our story today?
Yeah!
And did you all enjoy celebrating Pride with us today?
Yeah!
Well, we are so thankful that you were all here to celebrate Pride with us today. And we have one more Pride surprise for you all.
We're going to have our very own Pride Parade here today!
Yes!
We love you all, and we're so happy that we got to spend today with all of you.
Remember to care.
Remember to be kind, and remember to read. Happy Pride!